materials required: beads. We'll be needing some metal beads to put in between our bracelet. Hooks, gear wire, and gear lock. Cutters, flat nose pliers. We'll be needing scale also. Start by taking our length. So to take our length, we are going to put it around our wrist and then measure it on a scale. When you're taking your length, always remember to take 10 to 15 cm extra for your bracelet. Now I'm going to cut my gear wire. Size is 14. We are going to take our gear lock and put it inside our gear wire. Then we are going to take our hook and put that also inside our gear wire. And we are going to take our gear wire and put it through the gear lock and pull it very tightly. And now we are going to take our flat nose plier and press the gear lock very tightly so it stays secure. Now I'm going to put my beads in my bracelet. And remember to put the gear wire, the extra gear wire, into your beads so that it doesn't show out. Now I have finished putting my beads into my gear wire. Now we are going to put gear lock again and then our hook. And put our gear wire through the gear lock and some beads between below them and pull our gear wire like this. So catch the hook and pull your gear wire very tightly. And then we are going to take our flat nose plier and press the gear lock very tightly. And then we are going to cut our extra gear wire. Then our bracelet is ready.